Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, I am going to show you how to show Discord game activity on mobile device. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so right off the bat, there is no way to automatically display your game activity on Discord mobile. So, what you can actually do is to set it manually. Now, to do that, open up Discord app on your mobile device. And in here, tap on this icon on the far right of your screen. And to add your status, just tap on add status and write something that you are doing. Say, for example, playing Call of Duty, and click on save. Alright, so here it is displaying that you are playing Call of Duty. Now, after that, you can tap on this icon again, and you can go to privacy and safety. Now, once you're here, you can scroll down and make sure that display current activity as status message is turned on. All right, now you can go back and go to authorized apps and make sure that all the apps that you want to display on Discord is actually in here. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.